Welcome to this affiliate marketing tutorial for 2020. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $7 for a free sign up using 100% free traffic. I've personally made $721 using the methods that I'm going to show you here. So in this video, here is what you're going to learn. You're going to learn what I think is probably the simplest affiliate model. You can get paid these $7 for a completely free sign up. People don't have to pay anything in order for you to get paid. So it's very, very simple to actually make that amount per sign up because you don't have to convince anyone to buy anything at all. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how you can do this for free. You don't have to have a website. You don't have to buy any tools. You don't have to buy any landing pages. I'm going to show you how you can build a 100% free landing page and how you can send 100% free traffic to this offer as well. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Greg Kononenko. On this channel, I publish regular tutorials related to blogging, traffic, and affiliate marketing. So click subscribe just below this video, enable all notifications so you can always get notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's get into it. Step one is for you to sign up to the affiliate offer. The affiliate offer that I'm going to work on today is Skillshare.com. If you're not familiar with Skillshare, Skillshare is an online learning marketplace and they will pay you when you refer someone to their free trial. So Skillshare offer classes in a variety of different niches. So you can see that they offer online classes related to animation, creative writing, film and video, all of these different things, photography, music, design, web development, etc. And tens of thousands of people every single day come to Skillshare.com to learn different skills. For example, a photographer or maybe a person who wants to take photography as a hobby, they might jump on Skillshare and they might look at photography section and then they will see here are all the different photography classes, for example, product photography, photography storytelling, and you can see a lot of these classes are actually really, really popular. So there are thousands of students taking each of these classes. There's a class here with which has had 81,000 students who've taken it. So this is a very popular website. Now, the cool thing is that they actually offer an affiliate program. So if you jump on Skillshare.com and then you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see that there is a link here saying affiliates. And if you click on this, it says become a Skillshare affiliate. Now, what this means is that you can earn a commission when you refer somebody to take a Skillshare.com class. And you can make $7 for every new customer that you refer to Skillshare. And in order to do that, what you need to do is just take an affiliate link that Skillshare will provide to you and then recommend one of their classes to someone online. And as long as they click on your link and then they land on Skillshare.com, so for example, you might share a link to this photography masterclass, this one with 90,000 students, okay, fundamentals of DSLR photography. If they jump on Skillshare onto this class and then they sign up for a free trial, so see it says new members get your first 7 days of Skillshare Premium for free. So as long as they sign up via your link, you will get paid $7 even if they do not renew their pre-membership. Okay, so they just basically sign up for this free trial, they don't renew, you still get paid $7. So if we go back to the affiliates page, here it clarifies it under the frequently asked questions. How does Skillshare's affiliate program work? And here you can see Skillshare affiliates can earn $7 in commission for each new customer that signs up for a free membership or free trial. So as long as they sign up for a free trial, you get paid $7. So go ahead and scroll up to this page, click this button here which says join for free and sign up for the membership. You will need to fill out all this information here with your full name, email, your company information, promotional information, where you will promote it. Under your personal information, there is a bit that says promotional information partner type. So you will need to choose how you're going to be promoting and your property type. Now, if you currently do not have a website, then just leave this step until you do step number 2 in this process, because in step number 2, we're going to effectively create your website. After that, after you've created your website, you can come back here and then you can sign up, because by then you're actually going to have a website so that you can click this button websites and put in your URL. Okay, so if you currently have a website, just put it in and apply now. But if you currently do not have a website, then wait and we will come back to this step. In step number 2, we're going to be creating a free website. We're going to build the free website with WordPress.com. So just go over to WordPress.com and click this button here in the middle that says start your website. This will allow us to create a free landing page, a free what's called hosted website on the WordPress.com platform. So after we click this button, start your website, I'm going to walk you through the sign up process. The most important thing here is do not buy anything. They will try to upsell you and they do it in a way that kind of looks like you have to buy something, but let me show you exactly how to sort of get around this. So where it says your email address, I'm going to sign up for an account with one of my other emails, other domains, so greg@thatshustle.com, and then you will need to choose a username. So for the username, for this example, you can kind of go with pretty much anything that you want, but for this example, I'm going to be using the photography classes, okay? But you can focus on pretty much anything, on illustration, on music, on web development, etc. So I'm going to use a username that's got to do with something creative. So let's say creative photography tips, okay? And let's see if that's available. Creative photography tips, and we're going to use a password as well. Let's click create account. So click here. Now they will ask you type the domain you want here. So let's see what happens if you type in creative photography tips like this. Now let's review what we can see here. After we scroll down, you can see that you can have a free domain that is kind of like a subdomain of WordPress.com. So here it says creativephotographytips.wordpress.com. So this can be your website in the future. It's not creativephotographytips.com, okay? It's creativephotographytips.wordpress.com. So it's kind of a subdomain on the WordPress.com domain. And you can see that this is free. But a lot of people who I've recommended this to, they get confused because it looks like they have to buy something because there are all these prices here. There are all of these prices over here. So do not buy anything. Choose this free option that's hosted on WordPress.com and click select. Now the next step once again will be, it will look like you have to buy something. It will say this plan for $5, $10, $33 and $59. You don't need that, don't buy that. Click here where it says not sure yet, start with a free site. And now your site will be ready shortly. So just give it a moment and it will create itself. Excellent. Now our site has been created. You can see the confirmation message here. Here is a little checklist for your site setup. So it says site created. Now you need to name your site. Just go through and give some basic information to your website. So for example, where it says name your site over here, we can click this button and we can give it a name. So our site title can be just something very simple. Something like this, creative photography tips, helping photographers take better photos. Then we need to click save settings. That will save the name of your new website. Now we can actually kind of preview this website in the top left. If you click on this coming soon icon, you will see what your website looks like. So your site is already created. It says here creative photography tips, helping photographers take better photos. There is already a menu at the top. There are already some sample posts. So your site is already out there. What we want to do now is just customize it a little bit. And to customize it, you can do it through the design, and then you can go into themes and you can choose a different theme for your WordPress.com blog. You can look through them and you can use any of these themes. So you can just click these three dots and go live demo, and that will give a preview of your website. They all have different fonts, different feel. The one that I really like to use is this one called Balasana. So if you click here, you can just go activate and that will change the theme of your website. If you see a warning like this, how would you like to use Balasana? You can click on activate Balasana. Don't worry about these warnings. We don't have any content yet. Okay, so once again, we can now preview our site. You will actually see that it looks differently now. So here in the top right, click visit site. That will give you this warning here. Your site hasn't been launched yet. Before launching, verify your email address. So just go to your email and verify your email address. After you have verified your email address, you will have an option to launch the website. So go ahead and launch it so that it's actually live on the internet so that anyone can access it by going to this link. And after you click the launch option, you will once again, they will try to sell you another service. So you can see here, it says creativephotography.tips, etc. already own a domain. You actually need to go all the way to the bottom where it says creativephotography.wordpress.com. This is your current free site address. And you need to click skip purchase because you don't want to buy anything. You just want to use this free domain. Then on the next page, once again, click continue with your free site because you want to continue using your free site. And now that's it. It will have a confirmation that you have launched your site. If we open an incognito window and we now type in this domain here, creativephotographytips.wordpress.com, you'll actually see that even without being logged in, your site is live on the internet and you can share this link with anybody that will get onto your website. So now we need to put in our affiliate links onto this free website so that we can start driving traffic and we can start making those affiliate sales. Now you should come back to the edit website screen, and where it says site, you can manage your content through the left hand side where it says pages, posts, media, comments, etc. So we want to go into posts, and here are 3 sample posts that have already been published on your website so that it doesn't look completely empty. You want to add a new post using this option over here, and this is going to be where we create our money post onto which we're going to place our affiliate links. If I want to focus on promoting the photography courses of Skillshare.com to get those free signups and the $7 commissions for free signups, I want to create a page that talks about the best photography courses and also mentions that it's free for people to actually take that course for 7 days. So you can use this click and sort of drag and drop or point and click type editor to create that post, give it a title, and then actually write out the post. So you can see here I've called it 5 best photography courses for beginners, and then where it says start writing or type / to choose a block, this is where you want to write in your main content. I'm going to type this out, and then I'll pause the video, type this out, and then I'll come back to this. So as you can see, I've typed out a very short and simple intro. You can probably add a few more paragraphs, but just for the interest of this video, I'm giving an example of what you might want to write about in your intro. If you're stuck for ideas, then just Google for best photography courses and look at any of these blog posts and see how they have structured their intro and just write something similar in your own words. Now we want to list these say top 5 photography courses from Skillshare. And if you want to add any of the modules to your post, you can use this plus button, and you can see that here it says search for a block, or you can use the different blocks. So you can use the blocks for heading, for a list, to insert an image, for example, or a slideshow, etc. This is to format your blog post to make it look a little bit more professional and more exciting. So I'm going to use a title, or a heading rather. So I'm going to click this plus button and then just use this one here called heading. And this will allow me to type in slightly larger heading style text. So I'm going to say number 1, and then let's head over to Skillshare.com and actually take a look at these photography courses. And we can search for photography courses for beginners. So let's say photography for beginners like this, and this is going to bring up a list of the different photography courses. So one of the results here looks pretty good, beginner photography workshop. So let's just open this up so we can read a little bit more of the description about it. Then rewrite just a simple paragraph about this masterclass in the blog post that you're creating. All right, so you can see that I've written a little description. I got the inspiration here from this, rewritten it a tiny bit and created this description here. Now what we want to do is we want to insert our affiliate link with a call to action for people to sign up. So I'm going to write a little description here saying click here to take this class for free with a 7-day trial. And we want to align this text center, so just choose this option here. And we also probably want to show it in bold. And we want to make this a clickable hyperlink. Now here is how to do this. First, you need to get your link, your affiliate link, from the affiliate program for Skillshare. Skillshare will send you an email, and you can click into that email and they will take you inside the impact.com program, which manages the affiliate program for Skillshare, and you will be able to get your affiliate link from there. Now, this is the normal tracking link. However, what you want to do is you want to click on this option here, customize code, and that will allow you for your affiliate link to take the visitors directly to the course that you're trying to promote. You will want to use this option here that says send traffic from this ad to a specific landing page and insert the URL of the specific course into this button here, and then you can click generate custom code. That will make sure that the affiliate link, when somebody clicks it, will take the person directly to the page of the course that you promote. So instead of going to the home page of Skillshare.com, that affiliate link will actually take the person to this specific workshop. So this way you can create each affiliate link to take the person to a particular course that you're talking about in that link. So just take this URL here that you can see at the top, which is the page URL of this specific course, insert it into the Skillshare.com affiliate program interface and generate the code that it gives you. That will produce a code for you that looks similar to this. It's just going to be a very long line of text, so make sure that you select all of it, and then you will want to come back to your post, and where it says click here to take this class, we'll want to insert this link here. So just click this link button, and then where it says search or type URL, you will want to paste it in. You want to also choose this option, open a new tab, because you want your visitors to remain on this page. And that is it. This is your affiliate link done. So then just click this button here, submit, and you will see that this has now changed color and it looks nice, and this has become a clickable affiliate link. So you want to do this for 4 more photography courses, so that you've got sort of like a list, like a mini blog post with the recommendations of the top 5 photography courses. And we will then, in the next part of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get 100% free traffic to this landing page so that people can start clicking your links and signing up to Skillshare.com and earning those $7 commissions for you. What you want to do is you want to create a blog post similar to this. You can get inspiration from other people's blog posts that do a summary of the different courses. So you can see here, photography class by Michigan State University. So see, there's a couple of paragraphs and then there is a link. Couple of paragraphs and a link, couple of paragraphs and a link. So just do all of your research here in these search results and insert a link to each of these courses into your blog post. After you are done, go ahead and publish this post so that it becomes publicly visible online and you will be ready to start driving traffic to it. So now here you can click view post and you will be able to see it online on your website. And here at the top is the URL, is the actual link of your blog post. This is your money page. So you now need to start sending 100% free traffic to this blog post, which will then, after they land here and read through the descriptions, they will be able to actually start clicking these links, and this will start taking them to Skillshare where they can sign up. So now let's move on to step 3, which is driving 100% free traffic to your money blog post. A really cool and easy place to promote your link to these courses is Quora.com. So just head over to Quora.com, and this is a platform where a lot of people are asking questions every single day. They're looking for answers, and you can actually help them and you can direct them to this course. Now, if you have tried Quora before and you heard bad things about it, things like they shut down people's accounts, etc., don't worry, because in this method, what we're going to be doing is we're not promoting an affiliate link. We're actually promoting your blog post. Linking out to blog posts to support your answer is actually completely fine. It's compliant with Quora's terms. So don't stress. I'm going to show you what to do. So just put into search Quora here. You can type in various search terms such as photography courses. Okay, so that would be a very relevant search term. And you can see all of the questions that people have asked about photography courses. For example, the top one, that's a really targeted one for us. People are asking, is there any good free online photography course? So let's open that up and check it out. So this question has been asked, and you can see here that there have been 14 answers. Now, if you click more on each of the answers, you can see how many times this answer has been viewed. And this particular answer, the top one, has been viewed 7,000 times. So this is potentially 7,000 people who you could be sending via your link to your blog, where you cover the top 5 best free photography courses, so that these people can actually click through and sign up to those courses. This person here, Chuan Sin, that gave this answer, didn't put any links. However, the person below him, Marjan Rushesvili, this person here, he did put a link, and he's fine. This link has been there for over a year, and it's been, I'm sure, making him money. He says the fact that photographers are trained to study photography. So see this and this, these are actually links. And you can do the exact same thing, just write up an answer. I mean, this person has put in a very nice detailed reply. That's what you have to do with Quora. And it's been viewed 1.9 thousand times. But the more of these answers you put out there and the more you insert your link, the more traffic you're going to be getting to your blog post. So if you wanted to add yours into here, you would go and select this button here, which says answer. And you would then need to type out your answer. So here you need to provide a good, high quality answer about online courses, and then you would need to include the link. This will give you an interface that looks similar to this, and you can start with something like, yes, there are many places to study photography courses. I cover some of them here in my blog post. Now, where you've got here in my blog post, you can take that and see where it says hyperlink, this option here, and the URL. You want to insert your blog post URL in here. So this is where we come back to our blog post that we have written, and then you take this whole URL and you get back into Quora and you insert it, and then you click add, and this will hyperlink. See, now this is a clickable link, just like a clickable link here in this answer. And then you would need to write out a nice long helpful reply here. So just see how other people have done it. Quora actually looks at the quality of your reply and the amount of upvotes that your reply gets, and generally the more effort you put into answering this question properly on Quora, the higher up in the rankings your answer will be for this particular question. So once you have done this, look at how many other related questions there are. There are related questions here on the side, and also you can search for more similar keywords like photography courses, study photography for free, something like that. For example, I've typed in study photography for free and look at all of the different questions that have been asked, which you can give answers to. So find out some of the creative ways to direct people from Quora onto your blog post, which is a helpful blog post. So just to wrap it up, this is how it's going to work. So people will see your answer on Quora. They will find it on Quora through searching on Quora, but also Quora answers rank in Google for a lot of terms. So Quora gets a lot of search traffic from Google, and people will start seeing your answers. After they see it on Quora, they will click your link, and from that link, they will land on your page that we created earlier in WordPress, which is called 5 Best Photography Courses. Now, from that, they will sign up for a free 7-day trial, because in your blog post, you've inserted the affiliate links to all of these free photography courses that people can take. And for every free trial sign up, you actually get a $7 commission. If you guys want to check out my affiliate marketing training and mentoring program, right now it's on a 35% discount. The link is in the description below. I've put in the links to more videos for you to watch right now that will show you more ways to drive traffic to your blog posts. And also, if you're not yet a subscriber, then click subscribe here on the screen or just below to make sure you get notified of my future videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.